Stories have been defined in over a million contexts to suit different narratives. Storytelling via narration has been a prevalent and conventional form which has transcended generations. One such storyteller, native to India, is Madari. Here, the performer is accompanied by a monkey called Jamura. The monkey responds to several cues performed by Madari, such as speech and sound produced by instruments. Similar to circuses, the monkey is trained to perform specific actions on hearing these cues. Inspired by Madari, we wanted to create an AR experience for the audience. AR enables us to leverage multimodal cues such as speech, image, and proximity detection into a performance. The audience members, along with the storyteller, can interact with the digital objects in the environment using these cues. In a performance, the storyteller creates and moderates the environment with his device, which can be joined by the audience. Each of the audience members participate in the shared experience from a unique point of view. The storyteller sets up the area by placing trees where the audience would stand and situating the scene at the center of the stage. Here's a video of the experience. Introducing Tara, Surya, Chandra, the robbers, and the audience as trees.
Greetings everyone. Please assume your positions and look around to explore the environment through your devices.
The audiences navigate through the world set up by the storyteller. All the members are viewed as trees when looked at from each other's devices.
Today, we will experience a retelling of an Indian folk story written in the 11th century called Tara's Choice. On a bright sunny day, when Surya was returning from the temple along with his wife Tara and his best friend Chandra, few armed robbers start to approach Tara to steal her jewelry.
Here, the narrator uses the words bright and robbers as speech cues to trigger actions in the scene.
Let's alert Tara by shaking our devices to grab her attention and asking her to watch out on the count of 3, 2, 1.
Watch
out!
Here, we leverage the motion of the audience's devices to facilitate a movement in the scene.
Surya and Chandra try to protect Tara from the robbers, but the robbers behead both of them and rob all the jewelry. The robbers behead both of them. Devastated by this, Tara falls on her knees. Devastated by this, Tara falls on her knees. Now point your devices towards your feet and scan the symbols on the ground. Whosoever is chosen as the god, please walk towards Tara. Suddenly, Tara is startled by a bright light approaching her. She hears a voice and a deity appears in front of her.
When the audience member, assigned as God, moves closer to the characters, the flashlight on their device turns on. This scene combines the physical interactions with digital world to actuate the flashlight and trigger an action.
The deity asks Tara that she will bring them alive, and however, Tara should place the correct head with each body. She gets excited on hearing this and by mistake puts Surya's head on Chandra's body and Chandra's head on Surya's body. Now she is confused about whom to accept as her husband. Please help Tara make a choice between Surya's head or body.
Similar to the Choose Your Own Adventure storybooks, the audiences can choose between two alternate endings to their experience.
Interesting.
We thank Vanessa, Michael, and other Snap Creative Challenge mentors for their constant support and guidance. We also thank Snap Research for hosting and sponsoring this challenge.